everyone, welcome back to my channel, and a happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone out there. Does anyone's family take part in the tradition of pinching you if you don't wear something green on St. Patrick's Day? Mine does, and this year I didn't really feel like getting pinched, so I made myself some hair clips. I made these using UV resin, and I love how they turned out. I hope you enjoy them too. The first thing I did was to mix my colors. I decided to go with 2 different hues of green and gold. When all my colors were mixed, I poured them into the molds. Before placing them into the UV light, I used a lighter to draw out all the air bubbles using heat. After the first pass through the UV light, I flipped my pieces over to make sure that they cured on the other side of the mold. This ensures that the piece will solidify. Once they were all cured, I popped the hair clips out of the mold. And now we can decorate the pieces. For decorating, I always start by adding a layer of clear resin to the front of the clip. Then I add all my flatbacks and gems. Before placing the piece in the UV light, I use heat once again to pop all the bubbles so that there are no air bubbles on the front of the hair clip. After the front of the hair clip has cured, we'll flip that over and we're going to add another layer of clear resin to the back and then add the metal clip to that. I like to use the hair clip mold as a way of holding the hair clip in place so that the resin doesn't all go to one side and stays in a nice even layer. Again, I'm going to use some heat to pop any bubbles that may have formed, and I'm going to place it into the UV light to cure. And when it is finished curing, I have a really cute St. Patrick's themed hair clip. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're new here and you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button up there, and don't forget to check out my description for all my other social medias. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section which one of these hair clips was your favorite. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Bye.